Hi everyone. So today we have JVC RX518. It's from 1990s. We did manage to install Bluetooth in this one. Also, it's in perfect cosmetic condition. I nearly sure that this radio was never fitted in the car. Has very few minor scratches. I think it's from storage. So but we did full service for it. We did clean the heads, change the belts, and whatever it needs to be done. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use Bluetooth. Okay. Also, it sounds amazing for its age. Okay, let's try forward. Okay, now backwards. Okay, works just fine. Now reverse mode. Perfect. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are okay. Okay, so in order to activate Bluetooth, we have to switch from FM mode to middle waves or long waves. So simply press this button a couple times. Once, twice. Now middle waves, which means Bluetooth is activated now, okay? Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth, wait a few seconds. Here it is.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
That's it, Bluetooth is connected. Go to any music you want. That's it. Cool, right? We kept all of the original looks. Bluetooth is inside. Let's try another song. When you want to back to your regular radio or cassette player, simply press this button a couple times again until you back to FM mode. So once, twice, now we're on FM mode again. Very easy to use. Okay guys, thumbs up.